We are back here in the Brewery District in New Westminster, and today we have a unit in Wesgroup's newest project of the 3 properties here, the Columbia building. And this area is exactly why people are starting to look outside of Vancouver for a different place to live. First and foremost, people are tired of paying $1 million for a shoebox. So we have a unit here, one of the largest 1-bedroom units in the entire building. It is a southeast exposure, so you're gonna see these amazing Fraser River views. You're just 2-minute walk to SkyTrain. The Sapperton SkyTrain station is just over there. So whether you wanna get to downtown in about 20 minutes, out to the valley, you have close proximity to public transportation. Not to mention, save on foods, your banking, your pharmacy, Brown's Social House. You have everything here so you can go completely car-free. Not to mention, not only is the unit itself great, but the amenities here are immense. You have a whole commercial grade fitness center, you have sauna, steam room. We're gonna show you that later. So let's get into the unit, then we're gonna come back out here, show you the amenities, and talk about why this location is something to consider. So come with me and let's check it out. We're in unit 612, and we have a beautiful southeastern exposure. We're in one of the largest 1-bed floor plans at right around that 650 square foot mark. And what I love about all these units is just the attention to detail, especially when it comes to storage here. We have the den off the side here, a large bedroom, but let's start with this side of the unit and we'll work our way through. So right off the bat here, you're gonna notice you have your washer and dryer. It's a nice distance away from your bedroom, so if you're doing a load of laundry at night, you're not gonna be able to hear it. This is a Whirlpool appliance package, and what I like in this complex as well, all the appliances are full size. None of this apartment size. You don't have to worry about 2 loads if you're doing big bulky bedding. They also have the steel braided hoses installed here, so the strata is really advantageous in terms of protecting the unit from any water issues as well. To my right, you have another closet here. This is your entryway closet. It has some nice build outs just for your shoes and your jackets for your guests or yourself when you're coming in from the space. I also like the flooring here. The brown really does a nice warm feel here along with the door. And then you have a little bit of a wider hallway. And what I like, and when we turn around, you're just gonna see these huge Fraser River views as soon as you walk in, and having this width really opens this unit up here. So this den is amazing, and it just gives you a lot of that flexibility. As a buyer, you should be looking for a den as a bare minimum. So many people work from home or hybrid. It also gives you some flexibility if it's large enough. So what do I mean by that? So this den here, we have it set up as an office if you work from home, but we have a width here of 5'11", and then it goes all the way out to 7'11" here. So if you want to set this up as a kid's nursery, a kid's play place, maybe put a crib in here if you're expecting, you're not going to be forced to move right away. It does give you some of that family flexibility as well. So as we turn the camera around, you're going to see exactly what I mean with these Fraser River views. From the bedroom all the way to your main living space, it's centered around here. Going back to the idea of storage, they also put in this extra closet here with these custom build outs. This is perfect for your pantry. So again, this is amazing attention to detail, just really maximizing the space here as well. So we come into the main living space. This is a great space where you can really do a lot of work. Whether you want to put a big sectional couch in, perhaps you want to have a more stationary island based with this light here, you have a lot of options. And I just want to show you really the size components here as well. So from the kitchen cabinets all the way to the back wall, you're at 18'11". And then when we talk about the width of the space here, we are at 11'10". So it gives you a lot of flexibility. If you're wondering what the ceiling heights are here, we are looking at 8'5". Also, why this unit looks so good, we had painters come in here. We patched a lot of some of the items within the property, so you're ready to move in. So let's check out the kitchen here. You have the nice stainless steel appliance here. Everything is clean, ready for you to go with the freezer on the bottom. And we have the nice quartz countertops here as well. There's a lot of counter space here. I love the subway tile here for the backsplash. So whether you're prepping food or whatever it may be, meal prep, you have a lot of this counter space here. You have the built-in KitchenAid microwave right into the space as well. And there's a lot of storage here as well. So soft close everything. Again, these browns work well with the floor. These ones match really close to the door. So they've had a nice attention to detail when it comes to the aesthetic as well. Even the corner cabinets, they have a Lazy Susan in here that spins, so you can take advantage of all of this space. When we go to the overhead cabinets, I like that they did do a separation. You have the whites on the top with the browns here, a really warm, inviting structure here with those needs. So I'm just pulling all these open for you just to show you how much storage is in this space. We have, again, a kitchen aid here as I wrap up with the stove. Gas on the cooktop, this is included in your strata fees. And what I like here as well, you have the double sink here. Just helps with dishwashing and all those items. More than enough space here for your cutlery, your storage. So if you like to cook, this is a really good unit here, especially if, you know, perhaps you want to pair it with a nice island, you know, especially with these views here, and we were blessed to have such a sunny day. This is a really nice, inviting unit. What I like about it, when you're looking out here, your views go on forever. So this unit seems much larger than it is. We have a stainless steel dishwasher here. As you can see, everything is in great working order. There isn't a lot of use, and this unit has been very, very much well maintained here. You can see on the ceiling height, we have some track lighting, so you have a lot of those light features as well. We're going to get into the main living space, and as I mentioned here, you have a lot of great opportunities for what you can do with it here. We have a decently large couch here already, but just to show you, from this couch all the way to the end here, you still have another 3 feet. So you could get a huge sectional in this space. Obviously, the spot here where we have the staging material, this is where your TV is, but you can just imagine, depending on how you want to set things up, and everybody has a different design flair, it gives you a lot of flexibility, and at the end of the day, that is what you want when you're buying a unit. A lot of places don't have that framework. A lot of places are small, 500, 550 square feet. This actually feels like a large unit. It is a large unit and gives you that flexibility as well. So we're gonna turn around here to get you into the primary before we get onto the patio itself. So when we get into the primary here, what I like about the bedroom, you could actually get a king size bed in here. So if we're looking from wall to wall in terms of the width of this bedroom, you know, you have a 12-foot width here. And as you can see with the current setup here, more than enough space here with the night tables and the bed itself, and you still have room here. So you could get a larger bed. And when you look out behind me, you have the Fraser River, the Patello Bridge, and just unending views here. It's a real beautiful unit perched here on the 6th floor. Also, strata fees, super advantageous, just $426 a month. So you're not paying a lot here when it comes to your strata fees. So as we go around here, we have his and hers closets, and both of these here have also been completely custom fit. You can see the lights pop on, they're on sensors, so when you open everything up, the light comes on, you can see everything. You have your drawers, just those extra little touches here just to help with the overall livability and the lifestyle of this unit. So like I said, both his and hers are completely built out. And the other thing that I like is that it has a Jack and Jill bathroom as well. So you have the benefits of having that ensuite, but your public and your friends and family can still use it. So as we get into here, we got a couple of doors to contend with. You're gonna see the nice tile work here, and nothing's cracked. Everything is just in pristine shape here. We have a large soaker tub here with some of the white tiling here. And then as he comes in and we shut the door, you have the nice mirror, a little ledge here, floating shelf for your knickknacks, and then a lot of storage here as well. So a nice deep cabinet to get everything in here, a nice drawer, and this is a floating vanity here as well. So a lot of nice details. This is on a sensor as well. So when you walk in, it does pop on. So if you're in the middle of the night, you need to go to the bathroom, you don't have to worry about the lighting or anything like that. So again, some of those nice features. So we're gonna come out here so you can kind of see the flow. This is where your guests would use the bathroom. And then as we get here, we're gonna walk out into the patio itself just to show you exactly what we're working for in terms of the size dynamics here. So this is 18 feet wide. So as you come out here, you have a little place that, you know, if you want to stand at the side. And then when we move over here, you have this amazing space right here to be able to sit and enjoy. There's an electrical plug here, and when you're sitting here, all you're seeing is just the Fraser River, and you have this beautiful southeastern exposure. So this unit is going to get a lot of light. You're going to get the light in the morning, and you're going to get some of that southern exposure here. And as you can see, All the width of this entire building is just glass, and you have this nice little alcove that's perpendicular here, which I like. You get this extra window just to bring a lot more of that natural light in. So this unit does come with parking. It does come with a storage locker as well, which is really, really important. And for those who are aware of the Brewery District, there's an immense amount of accessibility to amenities. You have a commercial grade fitness facility, sauna, steam room, squash courts, pool tables. Not only with that $426 strata fee, you have all this access to this beautiful building, but you have a lot of accessibility to those amenities to save money on your gym memberships. If you're wanting to throw birthdays, there's some great amenity spaces as well. So let's get out into the community itself, show you why this area is so good. From Save On Foods to Brown Social House, you have all of the necessary needs that you don't need a car, because the SkyTrain is about a 2-minute walk away. So let's get outside and let's show you some of those details as well. We already highlighted off the top why this is one of my favorite pockets that's outside of Vancouver, because of the location. As mentioned, you have all your amenities close by. You don't need a car. You have great amenities within the complex itself. But what I love is the access to nature. So you're already floating on top of the Fraser River in the unit itself. You also have access to a 4-kilometer trail called the Brunette Fraser Greenway. And this has 3 kilometers of bike paths, 4 kilometers of walking. You can fish off there. You can have a boat and moor it. And it has this beautiful river walk that they're continuing to expand. Not only that, there is some heritage along the way. There's an old penitentiary supply warehouse that is a heritage site from 1930 that is still accessible on the Greenway itself. So you have the best of both worlds here. You have the urban amenities access here, plus nature right at the fingertips, right all the while floating on top of the Fraser River. Thanks so much for this tour, and I'll see you on the next one.